Hey guys, welcome to Homework Codes. In this video, we're going to see something about string tokenizer. From the word string tokenizer itself, we can know that this is used to convert a string into tokens. Yes, we use string tokenizer to break a string into tokens. Example, we are having a string, welcome to Homework Codes. This is a string, right? So we can convert this string into tokens where welcome will be considered as a token, to will be considered as a token, and homework codes will be considered as a token. This is the code used to convert the string into tokens. So here we are having a string welcome to homework codes, and here we are creating an object for the class StringTokenizer, and we are passing the string and a delimiter as a parameter. So here, because we are having welcome space to space homework codes, right? So we are passing this space as a delimiter here. So then it will convert the string into tokens based on this delimiter. So here welcome will be considered as a token, to will be considered as a token, and homework codes will be considered as a token, and those will be printed here. So this is the output. Welcome as a token, to as a token, and homework codes as a token. So this is a glimpse of the string tokenizer class. So here the string tokenizer class is created by implementing the enumeration interface. And the string tokenizer class has three type of constructors. The first one is like having three parameters. One is string and delimiter, and then Boolean return delimiters. And the another one is having two parameters. It is like string and then delimiter. And the third one is having only the string as a parameter. So these are all the methods available in string tokenizer class. The first one is hash more tokens, next token with the parameter, and hash more elements, next element, and count tokens. The first one, hash more tokens. So it returns a Boolean value like true or false. It checks for the token. If it is having token, then it will print true. If it is not having any token, then it will print false. Next token, which is used to print the next token. In the first loop, we'll get welcome. In the second loop, we'll get to. In the third loop, we'll get homework codes as a value. Next token, string delimiter. So here we are having welcome tilde to space homework codes, right? So here we are passing delimiter, next token of delimiter, which means like it will print welcome first because we are using a delimiter tilde symbol. So here welcome will be a token and two homework codes will be a token because we are using the delimiter tilde symbol. The next one, hash more elements. It will also return Boolean value like true or false. Next element, it will print the next element like the next token. And then we're having a one method count tokens, which is used to count the number of tokens. For example, here welcome tilde to and space homework codes. And if we want to count the number of tokens available in the string, then we can go for count tokens. It will return the number of tokens available in the string. That's all. Thanks for watching.